Hello students, I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel Aveti Learning, which works for your academic enhancement during this COVID-19 pandemic. So tell me, is my voice audible to you? Then please type yes in the comment box. Okay, so how are you all, my dear lovely students? Good. Okay, so we are providing free online classes to all of you for the betterment of your education. So, during this lockdown period, everything is closed, especially the schools. Okay, so through Aveti Learning, you all are getting so many videos, so many online classes. Okay, so utilize your knowledge, okay, and enhance your creativity during this pandemic situation. So, before we start our live class, let me tell you how can you join live. So it's very easy. You just have to subscribe our YouTube channel Aveti Learning and press the bell icon to get more notifications. Okay, so if you have not subscribed yet, then please do subscribe as soon as possible. So there are some rules. The first rule is only you should have to answer the questions which is asked. That should be in the comment box. Okay, and secondly, don't chat with each other. Thirdly, if you start chatting with each other, then you will face problem while watching the video. Okay, so it is a bad thing. While the teacher is teaching in the class, then if you start chatting with each other, then you are demotivated. Okay, so focus on your learning, focus on your live class. And finally, it is a special request to all of you that don't make any kind of note while watching the video. After you watch the video, then you can make your note. As you know that it is a permanent video, you can find anytime. Once you subscribe our channel, then the notifications remind you to watch the video. Okay, at that time you can watch the video and make your notes. Simple. And here we are having Aveti Spoken English and Aveti Coding for free. As we know, recently we came to know that national policy on education has been changed, right? And so many new kind of skills, so many extracurricular activities are added in school curriculum. So, Aveti Learning is providing you spoken English classes and coding classes, which is absolutely free. There will be no cost to watch the video. Okay, and you can learn spoken English through Aveti Learning as well as coding class also. Okay, so within few days, you are capable of speaking fluent English without any hesitation. So you just have to forget about the fear of English. Just you have to focus. And here are some links for the registration for coding class. The link is https://bit.ly/aveti coding class, and the link for registration for spoken English class is https://bit.ly/aveti spoken English. So if you have not registered, then do register. There are limited seats, so quickly register your name. Okay, so we are continuing with tense revisited. So, we have started the ways of expressing the past time. So, present perfect tense was over, and as we know, there are 6 ways to express the past time. One is the present perfect tense, as I have said, it was over. The second is present perfect continuous tense. And the third is past indefinite tense or simple past tense. Number 4, past continuous or progressive tense. Number 5, past perfect tense. Number 6, past perfect continuous tense. So, we are with present perfect continuous tense. So, through present perfect continuous tense, we can express the past time. Okay, so let's know about the structure. The structure is subject plus has been or have been plus MV4 plus object. For example, I have been reading a novel. Here, I is a subject as it is first person singular number. So, it takes have as helping verb. So, having is there. Then MV4. MV4 means MV refers to verb which is in ing form. So, the main verb is read plus ing. Okay. So, it is reading. Then a novel is object. So, here it is MV4. So, similarly, example number 2. They is subject and they is third person but plural number. So, having is used as have is agree with the plural verb, plural noun. So, here it is used and it is as usual MB4 and it is object, a novel. Then example number 3. Amrit, which is subject, it is third person singular number. So, has been, has is used because has goes with third person singular noun. Okay. So, here reading is as usual MB4 and a novel is object. So, subject plus has been or have been plus MB4, that means verb plus ing plus object. So, these are the structure. Now, let's move to the use. How can we use present perfect continuous tense to express the past time? Okay. So, first one is, the rule number 1 is to express an action which began in the past and is still continuing. If an action which is started in the past but still in the present situation is continuing, then in that case also we use present perfect continuous tense. For example, Ravi has been suffering from fever since last night. Here we can see he is Ravi since last night, means since yesterday night he has been suffering from fever. Okay. अर्थात गतकाली राति ठारू रवि ज्वर रे पीड़ित हेउछि, माने ज्वर रे पड़िछि, अर्थात तार ज्वर भल हेई नाही. That means he still in fever. Okay. In this situation, present perfect continuous tense is used. Another example, Anasuya has been studying in the library for 3 hours. Okay, so for 3 hours means past 3 hours, Anasuya has been studying in the library. As we can see, this is Anasuya. Anasuya 3 घंटा ହେଲା ପାଠାଗାରରେ ପଢୁଛି ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ପାଠପଢ଼ା କାମଟି ଆରମ୍ଭ ହୋଇଯାଇଛି 3 ଘଣ୍ଟା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ରିସେଣ୍ଟ ପାଷ୍ଟରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହୋଇଯାଇଛି କିନ୍ତୁ କାମଟା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଚାଲୁଛି ହେଲା ତ ସେଇ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସ୍ ଟେନ୍ସର ୟୁଜ୍ ହେବ. Another example, my mom has been cooking for 3 hours. ମୋ ମା 3 ଘଣ୍ଟା ହେଲା ରୋଷେଇ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ରୋଷେଇ କାମଟି 3 ଘଣ୍ଟା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହୋଇଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସରି ନାହିଁ ଚାଲିଛି ଆହୁରି ଆଗକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଚାଲିବ ତ ସେଇ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଏଇ ସିଚୁଏସନକୁ ଦର୍ଶାଇବା ପାଇଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆମେ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସ୍ ଟେନ୍ସର ୟୁଜ୍ କରିବା. Then let's move on to rule number 2. So the present perfect continuous tense is used to express an action which began in the past and continued for some time and temporarily closed or finished at this time. अर्थात गोटे काम बा कोनोसी गोटे कार्य अतीतरू आरंभ हो जाइछि कंटिन्यू मध्य सब बेले करे किंतु किछि समय पई सेटा बंद हो जाइछि बा शेष हो जाइछि तो सेई क्षेत्र रे मध्य प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस रो यूज. फॉर एग्जांपल, हरि हैज बीन वाटरिंग द प्लांट्स. ओके, सो द वर्क watering has been finished for temporarily. Okay, again it will start. Okay, so he has been watering means always he is watering. गच्छरे हरि ही पानी देई आसुची हला तो सब बेले जो कामटी से आरंभ करि देछि माने अतीतरू किंतु वर्तमान किछि समय पई सेटा बंद हेछि पुणी आगामी दिन मानकर सेटा आरंभ हेइ पा तो सेही भली कार्य गुडी को दर्शेबा पई प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस रो व्यवहार करा जाई थाए. Another example is, we have been shopping at this fair for 2 hours. Okay, so 2 घंटा हला आमे एई यात्रा रे बा आमे एई मेला रे किणा किणी करि आसुछु हला अर्थात किछि समय पई शॉपिंग कार्यटी बंद हे जाइछि किंतु 2 घंटा हला आमे किणुथुलु ए पर्यंत चलीथिला किंतु किछि समय पई सेटा बंद हे जाइछि पुणी आउ किछि समय बुला बुली कर साला पर आमे मध्य किणा किणी करि पारु तो एई सिचुएशन रे मध्य प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस रो यूज हे परिबो. So students, this is all about the use of present perfect continuous tense. So there are 2 rules to express the past time through present perfect continuous tense. So I hope all of you have got the idea, all of you have understood the major concept of present perfect continuous tense to express the past time. So here are some homework for you. So after watching this video, you should have to go to our app, that is Aveti Learning. So okay, if you have not downloaded, then please go to the Play Store and download Aveti Learning app, and you will find some assignments on tense revisited. So your homework is assignment 4. You should have to, there are so many questions, more than 10 20 questions are there, so you should have to do the assignment number 4. And let's see who is the winner, who will do the assignment so fast and so quick and so correctly. Okay, so here it is, the Aveti official WhatsApp number, that is 7894040614. you can ask us, you can contact us through this number. Okay, you can ask your query, your doubts, and we are here to solve your problems. Okay, Aveti team will help you in every learning situation of your life. Okay, so as you know, we are providing free online classes and learning resources to Odia medium students during COVID-19 pandemic, which is an initiative by Aveti Learning. So students, today is this much. I hope all of you have got the point. We will meet in our next class with some new questions, with some new quiz session, okay, with some new content or new concept. Till then, don't go anywhere. Keep learning, activate your learning, enhance your learning with the authentic learning, Aveti Learning. Thank you.